Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll show you how to change Gemini language on the Google app. If you'd like to interact with Gemini in a different language, just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Open the Google app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. On the home screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Gemini. Then, scroll again and tap on Language. You'll now see two language options, one for both Gemini and Google Assistant, another for Gemini only. Choose the first option, Gemini and Google Assistant. Tap the current language, and a list of available languages will appear. Select the language you'd like Gemini to use. Once selected, the new language should take effect right away. If it doesn't, simply restart the app to apply the changes. And that's it. Now you can enjoy chatting with Gemini in your preferred language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.